So hello guys, welcome to this video guys. So bago na namang mining guys app, nakikita kayo guys. So once na nag-sign up kayo dito guys, makakuha kayo ng $25. So $25 guys equivalent ng triple O wallet mining. So soon guys, yung KYC is mag-open siya guys. So wait na lang natin yung update. So ang gagawin nyo lang is download nyo lang tong link. So ilalagay ko yung link sa description para maka-download kayo nito guys. And then share na rin guys para maka-earn din kayo ng rewards dito sa triple O wallet mining. So ganun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple. And then punta kayo dito sa wallet. Diyan yung makikita yung status kung ilan na yung points na kukuha nyo, and then yung Twitter nyo, attach nyo lang dyan. Then dito guys, after nyo ma-attach dyan, pwede din kayo mag-invite. So invite guys, can earn more 50 triple O token. So yun lang guys. So don't miss this OO wallet mining rewards. And then guys, soon guys, dito guys is makikita natin yung updated. So sa ngayon guys, download nyo muna to, then invite, share this video, and then nasa link yung description guys, nasa description ng link to download this app. Salamat.